Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life. Today, we will learn there is and there are. We say there is for one thing. For example, there is one apple on the table. Let's look at some more examples. There is one chair in the room. There is one cat on the chair. There is one clock on the wall. We say there are for two or more things. For example, there are 3 apples on the table. Let's look at some more examples. There are 2 chairs in the room. There are 5 books on the shelf. There are 3 flowers in the pot. Let's compare. There is 1 apple on the table. There are 3 apples on the table. Let's practice. There is 1 banana on the table. There are 3 oranges in the bowl. There are 5 cups on the shelf. There is 1 whiteboard on the wall. There are 4 chairs in the room. There is 1 teacher in the classroom. There are 2 students near the table. Now it's your turn. Look at the picture and write 1 sentence with there is. And write 1 sentence with there are. Write your sentences in the comments below.